Mont Saint Michel. This magnificent artwork turns into a magical island during high tides that can go as high as 15 meters. During high tide, this magnificent tower is completely surrounded by water. This video, however, is taken this summer, thus the tide is low and pilgrims can just walk on the bay. This magnificent architecture and its bay in Normandy is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also considered one of the famous landmarks in France. It is home not only to nuns and monks but also to 4 museums: the Historical Museum, the Maritime Museum, the Historic Residence of Chevalier Duguay, and the Archaeoscope. These museums showcase remarkable arts and artifacts, revealing the rich history of the place.